Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria and welcome. Welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are doing well. It's good to see you. It really is. To my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We are all have our hands open, welcoming you to our family, YouTube family. We are so happy you decided to join us. Well, let's get into this video, guys. Today, we are going to make bubble bath salts, okay? Come on. Let's get into this video. But before we get into the video, I would like to say, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Chill Out Friday, absolutely. You know I make my videos, upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And today is Chill Out Friday. So let's lay back. Go ahead, get your favorite beverage. I'll wait. And let's get into this video. Okay, so what we will be making today is going to be called Rose Bubble Bath Salts, okay? And the reason why it's going to be Rose Bubble Bath Salts because we're going to top it with some rose petals. All right, so let's go. First and foremost, we need Epsom salt. So here our Epsom salt we have right here. We also need sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil. Put that in. Unscented liquid body wash. No scent at all, okay? And we're just going to pour that in. Okay, just get everything in there. Don't worry about it. It's all going one place. And then next we have Hibiscus flowers. That's a dry natural herb, hibiscus flowers. Okay, make sure all our goodness is in there. You're going to stir this up. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Look at that. Beautiful purple lavender color. See that? So this is going to give you the bubbles. So the other bath salts that we make are not going to give you bubbles, but this one's going to give you bubbles when you put it in. All right, so it's all. Now what we have to do, we are going to place this on a cookie sheet. So let's get our cookie sheet. We're going to place it on our cookie sheet. Just put it on. Don't worry about it. Just blop it in areas. Get it all in there. Take it all out. There you go. Come on. There you go. We want all of that. So, the benefits of hibiscus. It helps with age spots. It purifies the skin. It helps break down dead skin cells. Anti-aging, is rich in vitamin C. Promotes collagen in your skin and is also an antitoxin. And that's hibiscus. The benefits of dry rose petals, which will go on top of this tomorrow. We're going to come back. We're going to break this up. And we are going to sprinkle dried organic rose petals from my garden, of course, with no pesticides used, on top of this. So the benefits of dry rose petals are natural oils found in organic rose petals retain moisture. It's excellent for a skin blocker. It smooths the skin. It helps fight acne. And it has mood lifting properties. Isn't that nice? Rose petals. Let's have the quote of the day. The quote of the day is, you don't have to have it all figured out. Let's say that again. You don't have to have it all figured out. That's the quote of the day. You don't have to have it all figured out at one time, guys. Okay, let things happen organically. It is what it is. All right, you see that? Now, this is gonna be, what is it called? Hibiscus bubble bath salt. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Let's stand back. Isn't that beautiful? So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll come back. We're going to just lay this out, let it dry out by itself overnight, 24 hours. We're going to come back, top it with our organic rose petals from my garden, of course. And as always, love you always. My YouTube family, Glennceria Loving Hands. Mwah. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video where we are going to bag it, sprinkle on some rose petals, and talk more in depth of how we're going to use our hibiscus bubble bath salts. Y'all have a great day. Love you always, and I always appreciate you. Make sure you hit that notification button bell. Check out my Etsy shop at Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off a hand, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.